Thought you said he was going to be here today.
Come on, David, I told you he was going to be here today. I got a guy on the inside. He said both New York and New Jersey crews have a meeting here today.
We've been here since 5 o'clock in the morning, and I don't see shit.
Come on, you know better. These surveillances taking a long time. You should know that. You know what you should do? Hey, there's his car. He's pulling up.
That's him. Getting out of the car. Mark Cavallo, the most powerful mob boss in New Jersey.